So for today's lesson, we are going to start by set up a local development environment for Python. And the step 1 is going to be installing Python in your computer. So once we are in this page is going automatically to detect the operating system that you are going to use. So here I am using Mac. So if you are in Windows or in another operating system, it will detect it automatically. So the first step is going to be by press and download Python 3. So because I already have it, I will show you the steps from this folder, and also I am going to insert the link for downloading Python and this file in the information box below. Okay, so when you are going to press and download Python, this window is going to show up. Okay, so first of all, make sure that this box added Python 3.9 to the path is checked. After that, we are going to press in install now. After we install it, this window is going to show up. We will press in disable path length limit. Okay, so after we press this, we are going to have the Python 3.9 in our computer. So after downloading Python 3.9, the next step is going to be download Pycharm. Pycharm is the best IDE for Python. It is specialized for Python, and in the coming lessons we are going to use this tool for all our project. So first of all, we are going to visit this page, and we are going to choose the operating system that we are using. So for me, I am using Mac, and we are going to choose the community. So here, after we use the community, this window is going to show up. We will press on next. Then we will make sure of our destination folder for the Pycharm. Then we are going to make sure that the 64-bit launcher is checked. Then we will press on next. After that, we will press on finish. Then we will press on this box, and we will press continue, and we will have in the end our Pycharm IDE. Okay, so let's start by opening Pycharm. And after we open it, this window or another window, it will going to show up for you an empty window if you don't have any project before. So the next step will be new project. From here, we are going to change our project name. Let's call it Python new, or anything you want. And this window is very important. Here in the interpreter, make sure that you choose the latest version of Python. And in my case, I choose, of course, 3.9. Okay? After that, let's press on create. And when we press on create, this window is going to show up. So this window is going to show up after loading the new project. Okay, this here, from here we can see the project files, and if we press here, you can see this is main.py Python, and if we want to create a new file, just press like this, new file, and you can name it like data.py, press enter, and we have it. The most important file here is main.py. We don't need all of it, so remove it. Okay, and if you want to change the theme of this Pycharm, just go to Pycharm, choose preference or setting in Windows. After that, go to editor. Okay, from the editor, let's choose the font. Okay, here this is the style of my editor. I choose the size to be 20 and the height between the line is 1.5, and this is what I choose it for the font. And here you can choose any font you want. Okay, if you want like this, if you want it like this, any font you like. From here we can choose the theme of the editor. If you want Dracula, just press apply and you will have the dark mode. Okay, but in my case I am just going to choose the classic light better for now. Then I am going to press OK. Then if we want to print anything now, let's try like print our name. Print. Okay. Hello. Then we are going to new line. So we can press here, and if this doesn't show for the first time, just go to run and choose run main. And in the console below, it's going to print hello. So my name is Fayzeh Jaber, and this is for today lesson. I hope everyone like it. So if you like it, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.